In this short tutorial, you will learn how to scan a QR code from your photo gallery on Android devices. QR codes are everywhere these days. They can be found on advertisements, products, and even in magazines. Sometimes, you may take a screenshot of a QR code or save it as an image. Luckily, you can still scan these codes directly from your photos. First things first, ensure that you have the Google app installed on your Android device. If it's not already there, head over to the Google Play Store and download it. Once installed, open the Google app. You'll be greeted with a clean interface where you can search for anything online. Now that you're in the app, look for the camera icon, located in the search bar at the top of the screen. This is known as Google Lens, a powerful tool that allows you to analyze images and much more. Tap on this camera icon to proceed. If this is your first time using Google Lens, you'll need to grant it access to your photos and videos. A prompt will appear asking for permission. Simply tap Allow. This step is crucial, as it lets Google Lens access all your screenshots and images stored on your device. Once you've granted permission, you'll see a grid displaying all your images and screenshots. Scroll through until you find the QR code you want to scan. Tap on it to select. Google Lens will take just a moment to process the image. After scanning, you'll be presented with several options, depending on what type of content was encoded in the QR code. Typically, these options include website, copy URL, and share. Simply tap any option that suits your needs. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.